The pencil. A seemingly simple tool, yet it holds the power to create, to inspire, and to communicate ideas that can change the world. A simple tool, yet powerful. With just a few strokes, it can bring to life the thoughts and dreams of its user. For centuries, it has been the partner of students, artists, and thinkers. In classrooms, it helps young minds learn and grow. In studios, it allows artists to sketch their visions. In libraries, it aids scholars in capturing their insights. But how is this everyday object made? The process is more intricate than one might think. The journey of the pencil is a fascinating blend of natural resources and clever craftsmanship. It starts in the forest, where the wood is harvested, and continues in the factory, where skilled workers and advanced machinery come together to create this essential tool. It all begins with raw materials, transformed through a series of steps into the pencils we know and love. The graphite is mined and processed, the cedar wood is cut and shaped, and the two are combined with precision. From forests to factories, the creation of a pencil is a testament to human ingenuity and our desire to leave our mark on the world. Each pencil carries with it the legacy of its journey and the potential to create something extraordinary. The journey begins with the sourcing of raw materials. These materials are the foundation of what will eventually become a pencil, a tool that has been essential for centuries. The process starts in the heart of nature, where the finest resources are carefully selected. Wood, typically cedar, is chosen for its smooth grain and ability to be easily sharpened. Cedar is preferred not only for its workability, but also for its durability and pleasant aroma. Each log is meticulously inspected to ensure it meets the high standards required for pencil production. The wood is harvested and transported to the factory, ready to begin its transformation. This journey from forest to factory is a crucial step, ensuring that only the best quality wood is used. At the factory, the wood undergoes further inspection and preparation. Graphite, the material that gives the pencil its writing ability, is mined and then ground into a fine powder. This process involves extracting the graphite from deep within the earth, where it has formed over millions of years. The ground graphite is then purified to remove any impurities. Clay is added to this powder, and the ratio of clay to graphite determines the hardness or softness of the pencil. This mixture is carefully blended to achieve the desired consistency. The combination of these two materials is what allows the pencil to leave marks on paper, creating a versatile tool for writing and drawing. At the factory, the cedar logs are cut into thin rectangular pieces called slats. Grooves are carved into these slats, creating channels to hold the graphite core. Each slat will form one half of a pencil. The graphite mixture is then extruded into long, thin rods. These rods are carefully cut to size and inserted into the grooves of the wooden slats. The heart of the pencil. The graphite core. A second slat is glued on top of the first, sandwiching the graphite core between them. This sandwich is then pressed tightly together and allowed to dry, forming a strong bond. The glued slats are then shaped and cut into individual pencils. Each pencil is sanded smooth, giving it its familiar rounded shape. The finishing touches: painting, sharpening, and erasing. The pencils are then painted, often in the iconic yellow color, which has become synonymous with the classic pencil. This vibrant hue not only makes the pencil easily recognizable, but also adds a layer of protection to the wood, ensuring durability and a smooth finish. The painting process involves multiple coats to achieve that perfect glossy look. Each pencil is meticulously inspected to ensure the paint is evenly applied, giving it a flawless appearance. After painting, the pencils are stamped with the manufacturer's name and information about the pencil's grade. This step is crucial as it provides users with essential details about the pencil's hardness and quality. The stamping process is precise, with machines ensuring that each pencil is marked clearly and legibly. This branding not only serves as a mark of authenticity, but also helps in identifying the pencil's characteristics, making it easier for users to choose the right pencil for their needs. Finally, the pencils are sharpened, revealing the pointed graphite tip ready for writing. The sharpening process is automated, with machines carefully carving the wood to expose the graphite core. This step is essential as it prepares the pencil for immediate use, ensuring that it can produce clear, sharp lines. The sharpened tip is inspected for any imperfections, guaranteeing that each pencil meets the highest standards of quality. An eraser, held in place by a metal ferrule, is often added to the end of the pencil, providing a convenient way to correct mistakes. The eraser is a vital component, allowing users to easily erase errors and make corrections. The metal ferrule not only secures the eraser, but also adds a touch of elegance to the pencil's design. This final touch ensures that the pencil is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The pencil is now complete, ready to embark on its own journey from factory to fingertips. Each pencil is carefully packaged to protect it during transit, ensuring it arrives in perfect condition. The packaging process involves sorting the pencils into boxes, which are then sealed and labeled for shipping. This step is crucial as it prepares the pencils for distribution, allowing them to reach users all over the world, helping to write stories, draw dreams, and leave its mark on the world. Whether used by students, artists, or professionals, the humble pencil plays a significant role in our daily lives. It is a tool of creativity and expression, enabling us to bring our ideas to life. From sketching a masterpiece to jotting down notes, the pencil remains an indispensable part of our toolkit, continuing to inspire and empower us with every stroke. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting content, updates, and new uploads from ManufacTour straight to your feed.